A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we will learn lesson number 5, simplification. As you all know that in maths there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now question arises, dear, when all these 4 operations come in one problem, then which operation we will do first and at the end? So at that time we will get confused, because if any question give to me, I will do firstly addition and then subtraction, multiplication and division. But if you follow this one concept, then it will be wrong. So for there, one order is very important of doing the operation, and order will be do on the behalf of one rule, and that rule is called DMAS, where D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition and S means subtraction. Means first of all we will do which operation? Division, and after that we will do multiplication, then we will do addition, and at the end we do subtraction. Clear, student? And the order will be like this manner, means firstly division and at the end subtraction. Clear? First is division and last is subtraction. Clear? Now we will do activity 1, question number 1. Question 1 is simplify using DMAS rule. D means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Means first of all, if in the question divide sign is present, so firstly we will solve that one divide sign. After that we have to solve multiplication sign, then addition and then subtraction. So student, we will start A part. A part is 13 multiplied by 2 minus 4. Now see how we will solve it. We will write in the side DMAS. Clear, students? Now D is present here? No. M is present. M means multiplication. Yes, multiply sign is there. Multiply sign is between 13 and 2. It means that firstly we will solve M. When we solve M, means 13 multiplied by 2, we will firstly go according to the operation. Means if D is not present, then we do firstly multiplication. Clear? So 13 into 2, if I do, it comes 26. Clear? And I have solved 13 into 2. After solving it, minus 4 left. We will write minus 4 after it. Means 13 into 2, we will write first 26, multiply, and its answer will come down of it. Clear? Then from the answer you have to minus 4. Now see, addition is present? No. Subtraction is present at the end? Yes. So what we do? We will minus them. 26 minus 4 is 22. So answer will be 22. Clear, student? In this manner we will solve these type of questions. Clear? You have to do this one questions in your maths copy, as I am doing. In the side you have to write down the formula, and according to that formula you have to solve it. Clear? Now we do B part. In B part you have to firstly write what? D mass. Clear? Now see, D means division. Division means divide sign is present. Yes, it is between 24 and 8. So firstly we solve it, and rest of the thing will come as it is. So we are solving it. 24 you have to divide by 8. When you divide 24 by 8, answer will come 3, because 8 3s are 24. So these small division you must know. Clear? Then solve it. So answer come, if you divide 8 and 24, answer come 3. As I told you, in place of 24 divided by 8, 3 come, and rest of the things will come as it is. So I will write plus 3 into 3. Clear? Now after D, what is given? M. So student, we will do multiply them, and we put a arrow between these two numbers. Clear? So it comes 3 plus 3 into 3 is 9. Clear? So 3 into 3 comes 9. So we will write 9 here. Now after multiplication, what is given? Addition. So we will add them. So 3 plus 9, we will put a arrow on these two numbers and then we will add them. 3 plus 9 is 12. So answer is 12. Clear, students? Now we will do C part. In C part, we will firstly do divide, means 20 and 5. Firstly we do divide here. Clear? So when you divide 20 and 5, answer come 4. So we write 4 in place of 20 and 5 and put an arrow in between these two numbers, or you can underline them. Which one numbers you are solving, please put a line under it so that you will not get confused, and rest of the numbers you will write as it is. Means minus 2 into 3 plus 9. Clear? Now after D is M. So we will solve M. M means multiply. So 2 and 3 you will multiply. I have underlined 2 and 3. So 4 will come as it is. Minus sign will come as it is. And you will multiply 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. So you write 6 plus 9. Clear? Now after this A is given. A means addition. For addition you must have two numbers in which plus sign should be there. 4 is positive because there is no sign is given before 4. So it will be plus only. And 9, before 9 is plus 9. So student, what you have to do? You have to solve firstly 4 and 9 because it both having plus sign. So you write 4 plus 9. You change their position because we will solve according to the order. 4 plus 9 is 13. Clear? So 13 minus 6. When you minus 6 from it, because last step is of minus. So 13 minus 6 is 7. So answer is 7. Clear, students? So answer comes 7. Clear? Like this manner we do all the parts. Now you have to solve like this manner in your copy only. Now we do D part. Again we write D mass. Firstly we will see the divide sign. You can write a question again if you wish to write, so that you will understood. Firstly, when we write the question, firstly is division. So we will underline this one, that 21 and 7 we will divide. So 42 will come as it is, minus will come as it is. 21 minus divide by 7. When you divide 21 and 7, answer come 3. So you will do minus now. Why? Because multiplication and addition sign is not present. Only division and subtraction sign is present. So 42 minus 3. Now you underline these two numbers. When you minus it, answer come 39. Clear? Like this manner we solve D part. Now students, after D part we do E part. In E part, again what we have, first of all we will divide, because D mass means same formula we are using in activity 1. So it means if you are solving 32 and 4, so rest of the numbers will come as it is. Means 8 come as it is, multiply sign will come as it is, 5 will come as it is, plus will come as it is. Now when you do division, they require two number, and between division, if you see division is present between 32 and 4. So now you have to divide 32 and 4. When you divide it, it comes 8 because 4 8s are 32. Clear? Now minus, after 4 minus sign is present and 8 is present. It means we have done D. Now second step is M, means we do multiplication, means we solve 8 and 5. 8 5s are 40 plus 8 minus 8. Clear? Now After multiplication, A is present, means addition. You have to add 40 plus 8. It comes 48 minus 8. Now last is subtraction, so you minus them. Answer come 40. Like this manner you will solve in your maths copy. Clear? Now student, after E part we do F part. Now again we write a formula in the side so that we understand how to do the question. So first step is of D, means 36 and 4 we will underline because divide sign is between 36 and 4. So now we write rest of the number as it is, means 12 as it is, multiply sign will come as it is, 4 will come as it is, plus. Now 36 when you divide by 4, you can divide in the side also, make a rough column and then do it. Because in 4 table 36 come at 9, so you will write 9 here in place of 36 and 4. Now minus 37. Clear? After D, M, you have to see multiply. 12 and 4 is present. 12 4s are student. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48. So here come 48 down of these two numbers. And rest of the numbers will come as it is. Clear? Now we will plus 48 and 9. When you plus it, 48 and 9, dear, it comes 57. 57 minus 37. When you minus them, answer come 20. So 20 is the answer because all the numbers are finished now. Clear? Now after F part students, we do G part. In G part, because they are saying simplify using D mass only, so we will write D mass in the side so that my answer always get correct. So firstly we solve D. So 15 divided by 3. So 21 will come as it is. Plus sign will come as it is. 36 come as it is, minus 15 or 3 you have to divide. So when you divide it, answer come 5 because 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15. So here come 5. Clear? Now second is multiplication. Multiplication is not present, so what do? You go to next operation. Next operation is A. A means addition, so you add them. 21 and 36 you add in the side, you can do it. 6 plus 1 is 7, it is 57. Clear? So here after this you write 57. Put in a rough column. This thing should come in rough column. 57 minus 5. After A is S. So answer will come 52. Clear? Like this manner we do G part. After G part we will do H part. In H part again student you will write down in the side D mass. Clear? D mass means firstly you divide these two numbers. It means 102 minus 12 multiply by 6 come as it is, plus come as it is. Now divide 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12, means when you divide 12 by 2 answer come 6. So you write 6 here, D cut because we have solved D division. Now second step is multiplication. So underline 12 and 6. When you underline it, 102 will come as it is, minus 12 6 are 72. So in place of 12 and 6 answer comes 72 plus 6 as it is. Now students, after multiplication we have to do addition. For addition both the numbers should be of positive. Means 102 is positive because no sign is given. When no sign is given means that number is positive only. Plus 6 means 6 is also positive, means both the number are of addition. And minus 72 is of subtraction, means firstly you have to do addition, and in addition both the numbers should be of plus. So I will change their order, means 102. After 102 I will write plus 6, not 72. Minus 72 I will write after this because we are solving addition operation. 102 plus 6 is 108. Clear? 108 minus 72. Clear? Now 108 minus 72, what answer come? 8 minus 2 is 6. 10 minus 7 is 3. Clear? So answer come 36. Clear, students? So students, today you have learned how to use DMAS rule in activity 1, and for this there is one rule that whenever you use DMAS rule you have to use the formula from division and from division to subtraction. Mean firstly come division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. We have to use this one formula. Clear? And if there are present minus one number between two plus one numbers, so what you do, you will change their position. Means you will firstly keep 2 plus 1 number together and minus number after that, and then firstly you have to solve addition one because before subtraction addition come. Clear? We have to operate like this manner. Clear? So thank you students and have a nice day.